Hi guys, it's Dr. Bailey here. I know it is so hot outside and we have some great tips and tricks to help you and your kids beat that heat. Okay guys, really quick. First off, this is a genius invention and I'm sure most of you do it. So take baby washcloths or regular washcloths, you put them in a Ziploc bag with ice cubes, and then you can take them out. And then on really hot days, you can put them on your forehead, the back of the neck, the wrists, and any other points to help bring down that body temperature. You can keep this stored with water, ice water, and it's great. You just kind of wring it out. You can reuse it. And again, it's resealable. If you want and you have multiple kids, obviously you can put their names on it and then just use it as you need to. But it really, really helps. All right, next, easy thing to do at the dollar store. Get a spray bottle, fill it with ice water, and then you can just spray. This works well with kids who are at sports events, outside playing at the playground, they're hot, as does this. You bring it in a bag or a cooler or something, and then every 5-10 minutes, depending on how hot your kid is and how active they are, you just come over and you just spritz them all over, and it's really great and refreshing. Easy. Okay. We also have popsicles. Now you can find these at health food stores as well, some natural ones, and these are more natural popsicles as well, and we really like them. They're easy and accessible. You can also make your own, which is something that I do. Essentially what I do is make more of like a smoothie of fruits, fresh fruit, and then add a little fruit juice sometimes, and then freeze them, and they're really, really good, refreshing, natural, healthy, great. Okay, for little ones, yes, little ones. This is great for teething as well, but it also helps for them to bring down their temperature. If you can, remove the top of this, and then essentially what you do is put water in the actual pacifier itself and freeze it. Have a bunch of them around so that your little one can then kind of chew on it, you know what I mean, or suck it. And that should help kind of reduce their body temperature as well. The last thing, have a little space in your house. Just find some space and create a little Icy Nook. Meaning you have cool drinks there. If you have a cooler, you can have it right nearby. You can have, again, your washcloths, your spray bottles, and maybe a little book. Your children then, if they're running around the house playing whatever, or they're coming in outside, you just have them sit there in a nice cool area, a fan as well, so that they can cool off. All right, guys, I hope this helps. For more tips and tricks, please go to our website at www.askpeds.com. You can also check us out on YouTube and, of course, TikTok. Stay cool, guys. Take care.